Hi guys, welcome to another video on Eli's Video Corner. I hope all of you had a very good Christmas, and today I'm going to be showing you some of my best airplane models that I got for Christmas. First up, this is a Jetstar A321neo from NG Models. This one has rollable wheels and has extra details on the top of the plane. It has a beautiful orange and a really nice metal colour, shiny colour to it. And here is probably what I would say is my favourite. All of them are really nice, but this one's probably my favourite. It's a Qantas A330-300 Gemini Jets. This one also has the extra details on the top. Next up, this is an Emirates 777, Boeing 777. It has rollable wheels. This is also Gemini Jets. It has more extra details on the top. Its flaps are down, as you can see there. This is an Etihad A380 from JC Wings. On all of these planes, most of them can all roll. And last but not least, this is a British Airways A380 from Gemini Jets. This has the extra details on the top. There's the cockpit. On all of these planes, they have beautiful wheels. And here, put it straight, you have the engines. All of these models are really cool, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you all had a very good Christmas. Like and subscribe so you can see my latest videos, and I hope you enjoyed.